Hey Nash, what should we make?
I'm in the mood for some surf and turf. Since we're still making party dishes, let's make some bacon crab rolls with some duck sauce.
All right, let's make some surf and turf bacon crab rolls. Today we're making another party dish, something you could bring to or serve at a party, or just if you need appetizers, you know, people are coming over or something. Super Bowl is right around the corner, so that was kind of what inspired me to do a bunch of these party type dishes. It could be good for anything, or if you like them, just make them for yourself and your family. Whatever, you do you. Today we're making, I don't have a good name for them, but basically we're making little bacon crab rolls. We're rolling crab up in bacon and then we're gonna cook, it's gonna be good. We're gonna make a sauce. Anyways, crab bacon rolls. If you have a better name or a better name idea, let me know in the comments. But without further ado, let's go. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is make our sauce. We start with 3/4 of a cup of apricot preserves, 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar, half a teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 cloves of fresh minced garlic, or crushed garlic in this case, and about a teaspoon of fresh minced ginger. So fresh garlic and ginger, about a half a teaspoon of chili powder, and a dash of cayenne. And we just mix this all together. And there's our duck sauce. Strangely, not made with any sort of duck or any parts of any duck, but I guess it got its name because it was served originally with Peking duck. However, it is kind of a staple among Asian foods these days. So duck sauce, yay! So now we're gonna throw this in the fridge, let it chill until we need it. So now, once our sauce is made, this might be the easiest recipe we've ever made on this channel. So we have some shredded or food processed crab meat or imitation crab meat, depending on your budget. And then we have some bacon that we've cut in half, so half slices of bacon. This is what we do. Take a half slice of bacon, put some crab meat right there on the base, and then we just roll it up. And then I don't know if this actually needs a toothpick or not, but we're just gonna go ahead and stab it with one in just in case. So make sure you guys nice and stuffed with crab meat, and then we throw them aside. And then we take another one, put a mound of crab meat in the middle, sorry, at the bottom. And then we just wash, rinse, and repeat. And here's what we got, our little rolls. So now we turn our oven on to broil. And we're gonna broil these guys for 10 minutes. If you're not using a rack, I would flip them at least once in those 10 minutes. But I think with a rack, we probably don't need to, so let's try it without flipping them. Here we go. Here's our guys out of the oven, looking good. And here's our little duck sauce. And there we have our beautiful little bacon crab rolls. Time for a bite. Cheers. It's freaking delicious. You get that rich, savory saltiness from the bacon. You get that, you know, touch of sweet from the crab, and that duck sauce is amazing. It all just really comes together. It's like just an amazing little bite. So if you got to bring something to a party, or if you're going to serve some people or have a party or whatever, this is an awesome appetizer, awesome thing to serve as like finger food. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
With so much drama in the LVC, it's kind of hard being Nash D-O-double-G.
Well, hey, we got this little bacon crab rolls that you wanted with the duck sauce right here. Well, hey, here you go. Oh. What do you think?
Dang, the sweet richness from the crab with the salty richness from the bacon all brought together with that sauce. I'm a fan.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
If you are patient in a moment of anger, you will escape 100 days of sorrow.
Nash approves, I approve. Look, this is a freaking delicious little appetizer dish. Perfect to serve at a party. And as far as how easy it is to make, this might be the easiest thing we have ever done on this channel. So if you're looking for something easy, do this because it's that good. And it's so easy. So easy. But hey, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that would mean a lot. It'd help us out. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments. Or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com, send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.